So we are on Prism. So under Prism, we're going to look at the definition, lateral area, surface area, and volume. So the first one is the definition. So you can see the definition. A prism is a polyhedron with a pair of identical faces called bases that lie in parallel plane. The key word here, polyhedron, identical faces. That's the major thing here. And it must lie in parallel plane. So I'm saying that if you have any shape of this form, maybe, what do you notice? Assuming here is A, B, C. This is A, B, C. So this is one of the faces and they are identical. They are connected. So this is a prism. Or if you have something like this, they are identical. Maybe if here is A, B, C, D. This is also A, B, C, D. So if you connect this to this, that to that, this to this, I find that this to this. This is also a prism. So you see that the major thing here, they must have identical bases, and this is the distance here from the base is the perpendicular height. That's the height of the prism. So, and we name a prism by the from the base. We'll name the prism by the shape of the base. So as you can see, this is a triangle. The base here is a triangle. So this is a triangular prism because the base is a triangle. Again, here, this is a trapezoid, as you can see. So this is a trapezoidal prism. So we name a prism based on the shape of the base. So let's go over to lateral area. So we're on lateral area. Lateral area is just the area of a prism apart from the bases. So any other part of the prism is the lateral area. So we get a formula for that. That's a very important formula. Assuming you have maybe a triangular prism. My drawing is not that good. So maybe let's name A, B, C as the sides of the base, A, B, C. And this is the perpendicular height. So I want to get an important formula here. So you know that here is also H by observation. So we see that we have, remember, any other area apart from the base. This is the base. This and this. So any other part like this part, and this part. So I'm saying that okay, let's name A, B, C, D, E, F, and okay. So you see that the lateral area, lateral, so which is area AEDC. AEDC is part of it. That's this one. Again, AEFB. AEFB. Finally, this down one, FDCB. FDCB. So this is the lateral area here. If it's four-sided, if the base is four-sided, we have 4. So I will know that area, each of these shape here is a rectangle. Check it. Check it. So AEDC. AEDCH. CH is a rectangle. So the area of a rectangle is length times breadth plus AEFB. AEFB, which is A times H, plus the last one, FDCB. FDCB is now B times H. So as you can see, we can factor H out. We now have A plus B plus C times H. We factored H. And looking at this, ABC is the perimeter of the base. So generally, area lateral, that's lateral area, is always perimeter of the base times the perpendicular height. So this is a very important formula. So we now have the surface area. So the formula is just straightforward. Area surface, or we'll call it total surface area. So once you hear total surface area, you know that we're talking about total surface area. It's always the total area of the prism. And you know it's made up of the lateral area and the bases. And bases, we have 2 bases. So area of the base, 2 times area of the base. So this is my formula for the area of the surface of a prism. A prism has 2 bases and the other remaining part, which is the lateral area. So finally, the volume of any prism is always base area, or area of the base, times height, perpendicular height. So that's the formula. So let's solve questions now.